Welcome to NB Astro. Generally, we always think Prashna is limited to answer a particular query of the client, but it is not so. Do you know Prashna is actually the understanding of the momentary chart when we cast it, and if we understand it minutely, we can predict moment to moment what is going to happen. See the future transit. Let's wait for next 8 minutes. Something with a spouse, mother, or some discussion about marriage will happen. Okay.
Acha, sir, when you said that within 8 minutes, somebody, your mother and discussion, does it have to be mother or can it be Bua?
It can be anyone. I said either with mother or spouse or something about marriage.
Okay, like 2 minutes after you made the prediction, my Bua had called up and she gave me the information regarding my cousin who's doing marriage shopping.
So
and
it is not limited to a particular question asked by a client or someone. Actually, we can answer many other events happening in and around his family life, his married life, and all other details. The Prashna course which I offer, it covers from very basics of Prashna to the advanced stages of Prashna and advanced level of Prashna, including the timing of marriage, the timing of job, the location or the direction of missing article, and my most favorite one, the MOOC Prashna, what is in the mind of someone. If you want to enroll for this course, you should know the very basics of Vedic astrology, the basic jargons of Vedic astrology like signs, houses, planets, their name, the signs they rule, and what is house lord, what is exaltation, what is debilitation, etc. The Prashna course is starting from 19th December, that is Sunday, and sessions will be held every Sunday evening, 7 to 9 p.m. Indian Standard Time. The link to enroll for this course is given in the description and the comment section, or you can directly log on to nbastro.com and go to the astrology and Vastu courses section. And scrolling down, you will find the Prashna course, and you can click on know more to know more about the course or book your seat. After booking the seat, you will get a Zoom link to register for the course. If you have any other details, any other questions, feel free to write to me at nbastro108@gmail.com, or here is my number, you can WhatsApp me on.